Hello, everyone. My name is Alexander Sunga. I have created the Got Our Talent uh, YouTube channel. Let me introduce to Got Our Talent. Got Our Talent is a YouTube talent show where an individual contestant can upload their own video from the YouTube website. Right now, this is the Got Our Talent YouTube page. This is all the previous contestant who submitted their entries to the channel. As I mentioned, before the website before the videos or entry videos to be uploaded here, they need to they this is the website where the contestant can upload their video. But first, they need to create their own entry. Right now, I'm already log in. So once created their own account in the profile, they can see their information here, the profile, account information, and here they can manage their videos. And so so once they have created their own video, they can upload their video on this section. So here they can create their own country, age group, type, event, title, description, and then they can upload their drag and drop, enter the captcha, and they can submit their entry. Once they submitted their entry, the video will be uploaded in the Gutter Talent YouTube page. And let me show you the uh, Google platform. So right now, here is the audience. Here is the public status where I'm requesting to be to be be in production. And right now, this is the client. Here is my authorized client YouTube ID. So here is my client ID, which is right now enabled. Here is the authorized JavaScript origins, and here's the redirect URL. And for the data access, here is my non-sensitive scopes. This is my YouTube account, and here's the restricted scope. And I have developed the website in Apex. This is the authentication scheme. So the scheme type is social sign in, through the credential store, Google YouTube authorized, and the scope is OpenID email profile, and here's my Google AV is authorized for YouTube, and for username is email. For the web credential, as I mentioned, I have the client ID that I have copied from the from here, clients, this one. So this one I have entered in Apex in this section, and I have already entered the client secret or password right now since I already created. It's hidden and it's already verified. So that's the process of the creating the that's the whole process of the contest. So contestants, when they have received a notification there's an open contest, they will be required to submit their entry. Here, the submission is going to be on the website. So they create their account, uh, upload come here and upload the video. So they uploaded, it will be uploaded here automatically. So I hope you will, that's the whole process. I hope you will approve my request for like, to have access from my website going to YouTube. Thank you very much.